Might just buy a little 190E, boys. Yo, it is official. Fresh out the garage after years of sitting. 2.6, not the 2.3. That's the problem. 190E was not accelerating, didn't give me any gas and rev, nor acceleration. Yeah, that bitch driving, baby. Oh, we gotta push it, we gotta push it. I'm looking good, boys. Might just buy a little 190E, boys. Seems pretty sketchy though. Tip number 2. Fucking lag master guy. Took an extra hour to pull up. Super sketchy. Look at this, look at this. There she goes, Yakimoto. Yo, it is official. Fresh out the garage after like about 2 years of sitting. Just copped the 190E. Back window doesn't work, but the progress is going to begin, guys. Check it out. 190E, 2.6, not the 2.3. So here is the first day with the car. Checking it out. Seems like it does have to get a new battery. So we got a new battery for it. About to change the coolant reservoir hose because this was leaking yesterday. That was the reason of it overheating or leaking coolant. It runs, drove it yesterday. It was just kind of sputtering a little bit. The speeds seemed like it kept picking up on its own a tad bit. Then it would kind of slow down. So it was like kind of inconsistent. So we're gonna check it out. Beautiful 190 though. Just picked it up last night, as you guys can see. Back window does not work at the very moment. Here's the interior, very clean. One owner car. Just the owner had passed, unfortunately. Rest in peace, but very clean car overall. Nice gray. Just copped the new battery, guys. So about to pop this on and see if she starts. Do you guys think it works? Probably, yeah, it's got to. Oh my gosh. So crispy smooth too, bro. Yo, what the fuck? What? That's so hard. Look at that, the fucking wagon. Oh, this is so sick. I'm so fucking stoked. Look at that. Bro. Oh my gosh, that's so hard. Alright, let's try this, guys. First startup ever in the Mercedes 190E. Now that it's mine. It wasn't turning on yesterday all night, so let's try it today. Battery was toast, so let's see if this does a trick. Put some new coolant with a new little hose. Yeah. It was leaking from there yesterday. I see nothing right now. Looks pretty clean. Good idle. Let's give it some time. Oh yeah, that shit's toast. Damn, bruh. Nigga, what the fuck? That's the problem as well. Need a new clip. Alright guys, update on the 190E. So this is day 2 of working on the car. I just got out of work right now. Took off the intake right here, right? So got the top off, pulled that off. Like 3 simple screws, 10 millimeters if you guys are taking it off. 10 millimeter. This just pops off with a flat head. Pried this out just a tad bit. Did find another slight crack in here. So we're gonna replace that as well. But I found a huge issue, guys. So if you guys are looking for this similar issue, this 190E was not accelerating, didn't give me any gas on rev nor acceleration, but it did move in drive and reverse, right? This cable here, follow along here, so it comes out of the firewall there, it came all the way through here, and right back there, I was pressing the gas just to see kind of where it led to, because I'm used to newer cars and none of this old stuff, but I looked at it, found out this cable linkage is there, and this whole thing was hanging off. So like the whole entire thing, right, super loose. That plastic bracket is broken, very common I guess on these cars, but This was completely off the bracket, just hanging down there. So I lifted it up right now, slightly dropped it back in the bracket. Just gonna turn the car on right now to see if it revs. This guy did like a little Mickey Mouse job and kept the plate together right there. So gotta fix that as well, but let's see what's going on, guys. Give me 1 sec, I'm gonna turn it on. All right, we're gonna turn the car on right now. See if it gives us throttle. Baleen wire, dude, some bar wire. We're gonna use this to get that throttle right, boys.
Go drive it.
Huh?
Go drive it.
I don't know if I could drive it with this open though.
Oh, right.
Have to cover it. I forgot to totally film that on my own, but my brother filmed it, so I'll show you guys just that little hack. So it got like a little chicken wire, if I can twist it onto the throttle and making sure it's not falling into the brackets arrive. See if this bitch wants to drive, motherfucker.
Oh, it's gonna drive.
Huh. Hey, that bitch driving, baby. Hold on, should we take it out?
Hell yeah. You didn't just put in all that work to drive it right here. Should we, if we gotta push it, we gotta push it.
Should we hit the shooter right here?
Hell yeah, you should hit the street. You never even drove this car.
Baby.
Come on.
Fix that bitch for $3. Damn near.
Come on.
Three of a hose. Damn, soft ass suspension. I've never felt it.
That's what I'm saying. Why would you not?
Damn, we on the road, baby. Hey, Mr. Jenkins. See your whip on the road, Mr. Jenkins. Hey, that's hard. It was not driving this smooth when I drove it. That shit had me fucked up.
Smooth shift.
Hey, baby, I can get this bitch washed now, baby. Hell yeah, it's making it into the driveway, no problem. That's alright. Yup, just a little bit of chicken barbed wire, baby. We gonna be on the road again.
Take it with me, straight. I can't wait to get on the road again.
Damn, never can you fix a new car just like that.
Right, it's all computers.
Man. I'm cleaning out the car right now, and I'm just finding a couple different things. Very old Pizza Hut. Chili peppers in there. I even found this dude's medicine in here, bro. 4/7/2020. This car, I found this in here as well. I even found the tag to the seats, the date it was made, the time it was made. See what time it was made, what year it was made. Bro, fucking lit. And dude's even got the record maintenance in here. Bro, look at that, guys. In 1990, bro got some freaking oil change, 20W, 40, bruh, downtown LA in 1990, 22,000 miles. About like part 4, part 5. I don't even know, I lost track already, right? So we're getting this smog right now. We're gonna figure out if, bro, just a single freaking clip and just a battery and a expansion tank hose, bro. This thing was like a couple $100 just to get it running, right? And we're gonna see if that's all it took for it to get back on the road. If it passes smog, bro, that is legit. Look at it. Oh, hopefully it does pass and we're off to registration and get this thing on the road. I'm trying to get it out to Monterey Car Week. That would be so sick. Not looking good, boys. All right, so the bulb on the bottom side is out for the check engine light, so that caused it to fail on the smog. Oh, so it's not idling right. I guess it had a little bit of lean issues, whatever, getting it sorted out. The whole remedy to this, taking out the 190 dash, right? Or the odometer, you need to get like some special tool from Mercedes, but I've seen a couple guys that are just pulling it out. So it took me a little bit of some time, but we did get it out. So you pull this guy out, right? And they are gonna have 2 clips in the back. Didn't pass smog, so check engine light bulb is out. I think I took that shit out. We're gonna figure it out. Changing the oil on the 190E 2.6. That oil filter is a pain in the ass to get off if you don't have the tool.
Look at that shit, Josh. Yeah, look at that.
Mm-hmm.
I think you can let go, let go.
Yeah, fixing everything on the 190 today. Window didn't work. Just put it up real quick. We're gonna order the regulator. Alright, I just put the silicone on the intake boot, so it sealed the hose. There's no replacement for this intake rubber piece. Some JB Weld silicone, something for rubber and pipes. Hose up to like 400 degrees, so let's see if it works. So that's what we kind of did, like some touch-up to, using our friend Thermatech over here. Thermatech holds the flat. And yeah, it seals it, holds it up to 400 degrees. There was one on the inside, so I kind of put a ton on the inside. So sad that it had to come out like this, but unfortunately they don't make this part number no more. They don't make this part, and it's impossible to get the damn part unless if you like convert the car. So I may be converting it, I don't know. Alright guys, so I took off the chicken wire off of the broken throttle cable. So this was holding it onto the actual piece there, right? So I tied it up, temporarily fixed. ZV, so you take it off and you put it back on, and I think it locks in. ZV fucking go. You hear the click, you go good. You hear the click, you go good. You know, hear click is no good. Gotta improvise, right? We're gonna lube up these guys down here. This guy here, we're gonna lube that, and this one here. But I don't have anything to drip it on, and I don't want to pour just straight oil on there, so we're gonna use a little straw, as you would as a kid. Hold the water in the straw and drip it out. You don't drip it out like that. Drop that shit. Alright, it actually works. Hang on. Not too much. So it's taking off the O2 sensor from the bottom. Top G.
Call the Extra Hand Professional Services for any moving, handyman, or mechanical needs.
These guys are taken care of.
Guys, you see how dirty that is?
Yeah, it's definitely not reading on.
Look at that shit, bro. That shit crusty. Let me see the new one.
Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Just started the car. No issues, no check engine light. Dodging police out here, man. There was a CHP on the side of the road. He see me, and there was like 5-10 cars behind me. And I pulled into a self-storage real quick to dodge, bro. I don't know if he was coming for me though, but gotta play it safe. About to go get the registration, baby. Order la papi, got the place for the 190. Sheesh. Película. Yakimoto. That's hard as shit, bro. Hell yeah. Throwing that bitch on.
But after switching lanes, put off the brake and I'm gone. If you ain't talking money, homie, you can't get a call. I just wanna ride with the top down.
Swiping cards and stacking chips. I saw your sinking ships. Let me stand in the pouring rain.